The Trump administration canceled billions of dollars in funding for mental health services, causing panic across the country, then restored the funding today.
The local clinics say the unpredictability has left them shaken. Sophia Dernander has more.
It's been a chaotic 24 hours for mental health clinics across Kansas. The Trump administration canceled $2 billion in funding for mental health services, then restored it the next day. Mental health professionals tell me it's left them feeling unsure about the future.
We got this autism group and funding gets cut. There's no place for these kids to go.
Dr. Molly Allen is a psychologist here in Wichita. She says she heard from colleagues who suddenly had funding cut off with no warning.
I heard a little bit of chatter about, oh, we might not be able to actually, keep providing these services.
The Department of Health and Human Services cut the funding on Wednesday, saying it didn't align with their agenda. Then it was restored 12 hours later. This created confusion among mental health professionals.
If I was in charge of a community mental health center and we got our funding slashed one day, then it's restored less than 12 hours later, I would be probably hard-pressed to plan some programming.
Governor Laura Kelly has stated that she will prioritize mental health services for her final year in office.
We need more treatment beds. We need more professionals. We need more crisis response.
Dr. Allen says some people don't believe mental health services are essential, but in her experience, she says access to good mental health care is often the difference between life and death.
It's an attempt to provide all citizens with what they need. And if you can't get your mental health meds filled, then that is essential. That needs to happen.
In Wichita, Sophia Dernander, 12 News.
The Department of Health and Human Services did not give a reason for reinstating the funding.